What this woman says next will shock you. How shocked are people typically when they hear you speak?
I do get a lot of positive feedback about my voice.
Do you get paid for the use of your voice?
I don't get paid for my voice, but I'm happy to contribute.
Hey, bro, can you say headshot and double kill?
Headshot, double kill. Yeah.
Do you ever just...
I would like to become a voice actress, so these are the voices of the day.
Octopus, rubber goose, green moose, guava juice, giant snake, birthday cake, a large fry, and a chocolate shake.
Right here.
Thank you.
You heard me? Yeah, this is Elmo's world. Elmo, motherfucker. Now put the money in the motherfucking bag, bitch.
Give me the drinking sound. Give me the picking up sound. Give me the dropping sound.